I'm Natalia Smith. I am the design director for Metroflor. Cozy Cottage is a mainstream trend at this point. It is all about bringing a comfort to the home. So this is a trend where people can come in and kick off their shoes and relax. There's nothing too precious and nothing too fussy about an interior that is in Cozy Cottage. It's all about bringing comfort, and so you'll see family heirlooms, maybe a couple pieces, antique pieces, but very particular about that. It's not cluttered, it's not messy, it's kind of modernized and clean, but you do have those places where you're gonna see memories of the past. Cozy Cottage is something that really hit home during the pandemic, where people were stuck in their homes and maybe they were in urban environments and they had smaller spaces. And the desire to be in open areas, being able to go back to slower times, simpler living. In Cozy Cottage, we have one of my favorite designs. It's spalted maple. And so it's this beautiful maple that has some darker characteristics to it in certain areas. And it has a loved and worn in type of look, kind of like an old pair of jeans. It's very comfortable, and again, not too fussy. Wellness Oak is a new design that we have that's in a new collection called Inception Reserve. It is a 7-inch by 48-inch embossed and registered design. It is an oak, and it has beautiful natural characteristics to it as well. This oak helps bring alive that kind of rural setting, that idea of living out in the country, and just that idea of somebody baking an apple pie and letting it cool on a windowsill. That's what Cozy Cottage is all about. That's the feeling that it brings.